Let's try it.
Cheers to you. Whoa.
All right, so it's been 2.5 days and we are ready to try our ginger beer.
We're gonna try it straight up first, and then we're gonna make a Moscow Mule.
And a ginger shandy.
And a ginger shandy.
Let's try it.
Cheers to you. Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah, it tastes like ginger beer. It's good. I've had ginger beer by itself one time before.
Does this taste pretty similar?
Very similar.
It's a good deal.
Yeah.
Success.
Success. Definitely can taste the ginger, a little bit of carbonation. Has a very good flavor to it. Oh yeah.
Very refreshing.
Very crisp.
Mm-hmm. All right, on to the Moscow Mule.
Let's do it. All right, to start off with the Moscow Mule, we got 1 ounce of lime juice, 2 ounces of your favorite vodka, ounces of ginger beer, and 1 lime for garnish and a mint for garnish.
Alright, now we're gonna try our Moscow Mule, made by Josh.
Hell yeah. That's good. It's pretty strong. Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah.
Mm.
Maybe they're doing something right over in Russia. I can see myself getting this more often. That fresh mint though, from our herb garden. All right.
Is that the right corner of the screen? Might be on that side. I approve.
Well, she approves, and then you know it's good.
So next we're gonna make a pitcher of cranberry ginger shandy.
Can't wait.
Here we go. Okay, so now we're going to make our cranberry ginger shandy. We're gonna need 3.5 ounces of lemon juice, 12 ounces of cranberry juice, 8 here, 4 more. And then you will need 12 ounces of your ginger beer. For this drink, it's best to add the beer as you go. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it in our cups. So we've got our cranberry ginger shandy, and we've got it all mixed up, minus the pale ale. And it's best if you add the pale ale in as you go.
We're using an Elysian Super Fuzz. It is one of my favorite pale ales. It is a blood orange pale.
Okay, so what we have here is a ginger sugar. It's just 1/2 part ground ginger, 1 part sugar, and we're just gonna put that around the rim of the glass.
Shocking.
And not drop our lemons. We're going to add our cranberry ginger shandy.
So what is the part to part for the shandy to beer?
Yay much?
That's scientific. Is that about yay much? No. That is yay much.
Perfect. Okay, so you don't have to add ice if your drink is already chilled, but I like my drinks with ice anyway, so.
And you do about yay much as well?
About yay much beer. If you were to put the beer in the pitcher with it, you should just put it in at the end, like right before you serve it, and that would be 24 ounces of beer. I think, what's a can? 12?
12.
So just 2 cans of beer. Not that much?
Yeah.
Pixel. Cat alert.
Ugh.
That's our Fat Cat Pixel. Cheers.
To you. Oh, that's good. That's really good.
That is good. That ginger sugar is really good too.
Yeah, I've never had that before.
Me either.
What do you think, little guy? Or big boy?
This would make a really good summer drink.
So I can literally see myself sitting on the hammock, reading a book, and drinking one of these. It is awesome.
For sure. Good.
There's that little bit of sweetness, a little bit of tartness. I like it.
It's good.
Very fruity. You can taste that blood orange. I wonder if
yeah, I think
that really comes through.
Yeah.
I
think that's really adding to it.
Well, you can use any pale ale. I am using the Elysian Super Fuzz, which is a blood orange. It's blood orange ale.
I highly recommend. It's good. So, and I actually don't like beer. So if you have someone drink with you that is not a big beer fan, especially if they don't really like the IPA taste, this is really going well. I think it's maybe because of the blood orange. But it tastes good. It doesn't have that overpowering IPA taste to it. And you can always add more or less beer to it too.
The cranberry kind of comes through also. I think this is my favorite. I like this more than a Moscow Mule.
I don't know. Both really good.
I think the Mule is more like kind of tart and a little more strong tasting. Like you like that little bit of vodka taste, but not overpowering at the same time. While this is, I don't know, it tastes like a carbonated, blood orange cranberry drink. I don't know.
Yeah. Like a pink lemonade.
Yeah, pink lemonade.
Kind of feel to it.
A little bit of like ginger or something.
Really good.
Let us know down below if you want us to try any other mixed drinks, whether it be something homemade, something we can just buy at the store and kind of mix ourselves.
Alright, so this was our first attempt at making ginger beer, and it went well.
Yeah, very, very successful.
It went well.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and cheers to you.
Cheers to you. You can make vodka from potatoes.
Brilliant.
I don't know if you can do that at home. Coming soon.
Oh my god.
We need to not make vodka, but that is theirs. This is really good though. Now let's add a little bit of beer.
You need ice?
Let's add some ice first.
Don't forget to check out our TikTok. We have some goofy videos there. Something kind of like this, you know. Something strange happens when I put on this hat.
I just found my husband.
Hey, don't tell that other guy. I'm better looking.